Hi hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to prank someone by creating a box like this. I'm prank someone by Google Chrome shortcut, and then when somebody click it, it will be error and keep going like this. So I have to cancel, I have to close by use task manager. Wait, and then I'll find the process, the name is like this. So after I close it, I will show you how to create that. So what you have to do, you just right click on your desktop and then click new, and then click text document. Make sure you're able to address this one. So let's say you put error, and make sure you type in VBS, not the XT but VBS, and then yes, and then you right click on the file you created before, edit in Notepad, and then you copy this code. Later I will show you. I will copy this code on the description below. Just copy this one, Control C, and then Control V on the previous file, and then click save, and then close, and then let's try. It's already happening, and then I have to close it by using task manager again, and then end task, and then I will customize, for instance, the message box. I will customize error, and then you have to quit, for instance, like this, and then I will click save, and then close this one, and then copy the file, click the copy, and then paste as, wait a minute, where is paste shortcut? Okay, I move the shortcut here, just next to the original file, and then I will change the icon. I will change the icon by clicking properties, and then change icon, and you can find any icon you want. For me, I already generate icon from Google Chrome. You just find by yourself on Google Chrome icon.ico, and then click open, and then click OK, and then apply, click OK. Now the shortcut already changed into Google Chrome icon. So I will change the name by Google Chrome. After that, I will move this one. I suggest you move the original file into, not on the desktop, but the shortcut on the desktop. When somebody click the Google Chrome, it will return error. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial how to prank someone on your desktop. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.